how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account using the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, tap See More in Account Center. Depending on your Facebook app version, you may see one of two options. If you see Personal Details, tap it and then select Account Ownership and Control. If you don't see that option, tap Manage Accounts at the bottom and select Manage next to your Facebook account. Then tap Deactivation or Deletion and choose whether you'd like to temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it. Tap Continue and review the information provided. Scroll down and tap Continue again if you're sure. You may be asked to enter your Facebook password to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully deactivated or deleted your Facebook account. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.